Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a 2005 Zippo Windproof lighter with an acrylic chip featuring a pack of Marlboro red filter cigarettes and a scantily clad cowgirl on a mechanical bull. This lighter shows wear, scuffs, dings, maybe a dent there, small. I don't know a lot about this lighter, and there aren't a lot to compare it to. There are several images of similar lighters out there on the internet with different varying images of the woman portrayed. But it is entirely possible that this is an aftermarket chip added, as far as I know. When I did a search after seeing the listing for this lighter, there weren't a whole lot out there, and the ones that were had sold fairly high. So I decided to take a chance on it. As I said, I don't really know. I would love to verify that it is a Zippo produced lighter, or that Zippo put the acrylic chips on there, or the Marlboro Country Store or something like that. I really don't know, whatever that is. I've just got my eye out these days for tobacco advertising, and really, for the price that I paid, love this lighter. It is stamped C of 2005, so that would be March. The insert also stamped 05 but B. So the insert made in February, the case made in March of 2005. It does show some scuffs from the lid opening against the windscreen there. I cleaned the chimney out and pulled the wick up and snipped it off. It's very clean. I don't really have any doubt that the Zippo itself is original. But I'm open to any comments down below if you feel otherwise. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. As I was saying before, leave any comments or questions, set me straight as to the origins of this lighter, and if that acrylic chip is a post-market addition or if that came from Zippo like that. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay, Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. The flint tube was clear when I got it. You can definitely see that there is some debris maybe that has gotten under the chip here on the side, it looks like, but it has also been dropped. So, and I don't know anything about how that might be affixed or glued on there. That is a satin finish lighter, I believe, with a decent hinge. Doesn't have a wobble or anything, maybe just a slight movement from side to side. I really like the look, the nostalgia of the Marlboro red box. Sort of sad that they can't put that on advertisements anymore. Or advertisements, or they can't put it on other items. They can only put it on cigarette items. Cigarette packaging, I believe. Anyway, as I said, I have no idea as to the origin of this lighter. I posted it on the Zippo Addicts Facebook group page a minute ago, and hoping to get some information. Maybe somebody will tell me something about it over there. If it is fake, then I am certain that somebody will point it out over there. If you haven't been to eBay lately to see the dependableflame.com store, make sure you get over there and do that. Every purchase that you make benefits HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with 10% of each purchase going to the organization, the charity, including 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of the proceeds go to HDSA. Start at a penny, free shipping. High bidder gets the lighter. The charity gets all the money, and everybody is happy. So it does show wear, scuffs to the finish, dings, dents. Probably call that a dent. But the chip for the most part seems to be intact. Does maybe have some debris under the edge here and something there on the edge. But overall, very nice condition, very cool. Marlboro Zippo lighter. Until next time.